CeraVe stands as the top drugstore skincare brand globally. Dermatologists routinely recommend it to every patient who walks through the door, helping teenagers manage their first breakouts and assisting adults with serious eczema. CeraVe produces dozens of formulas, meaning not all of them belong in your bathroom cabinet. A few stand out as excellent, others function adequately, and one specific item sits in a dark blue tube that most people ignore, despite being the most effective product in the entire catalog. We are ranking 12 CeraVe products from worst to best. The fourth item on this list will completely change how you view your nearest drugstore aisle. The Micellar cleansing water takes the 12th spot on this list. It removes makeup gently without irritating reactive skin, using a formula containing ceramides and niacinamide. Micellar water remains a heavily copied product type in skincare, with nearly every brand making a cheaper version. Compared to what CeraVe delivers at its highest quality, this item brings nothing distinctive to the table. Merely doing its job does not provide a good enough reason to purchase it when everything else on this list exists. Taking the 11th spot is the Eye Repair Cream. This product uses marine and botanical extracts in a formula designed to brighten the skin under your eyes, featuring a texture that absorbs without leaving residue. This serves as a comfortable and low-risk starting product for someone building their first real skincare routine. Your dark circles will still remain visible every morning, as no eye cream at this price point permanently fixes dark circles, which are caused by sleep patterns and genetics rather than topical nighttime applications. It functions as a solid product, but users should maintain realistic expectations about the results. Landing at number 10 is the Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Hyaluronic acid and vitamin B5 work together to pull moisture into your skin and hold it there, leaving your face glowing after consistent use. This product sits at number 10 because nearly every CeraVe moisturizer already contains hyaluronic acid. Adding this serum means many people end up paying twice for the same active ingredient, making little financial sense. People with severely dry skin can benefit from adding it, but most users should check their moisturizer label before spending the extra money. Sliding in at number 9 is the Skin Renewing Night Cream. Peptides and ceramides combine in a thick and rich formula that works while you sleep to restore your skin barrier. For anyone with aging skin or extreme dryness, this cream resets your face overnight, ensuring you wake up looking visibly rested. Oily skin cannot handle this heavy formula, though the non-comedogenic ingredients ensure it will not block pores. Buyers must know what their skin needs before purchasing, as the wrong match creates more problems than it solves. Hitting the 8th slot is the Resurfacing Retinol Serum. Retinol makes many people nervous because most market options burn, peel, and leave your face looking damaged for the first few weeks of use. CeraVe avoids that issue by using encapsulated retinol that releases gradually into your skin instead of hitting all at once, slashing irritation dramatically. Licorice root extract targets dark spots, while ceramides protect your barrier through the entire process. Acne scars fade over weeks, pores tighten, and your skin looks cleaner with consistent use, establishing this as the top beginner retinol available at drugstore prices. Clocking in at number 7 is the AM Facial Moisturizing Lotion with SPF 30. Sunscreen needs to be applied every single morning, not just on beach days. Sun damage drives premature aging faster than almost any other factor, making the most straightforward fix building SPF into a step you already perform. This lotion handles moisturizer and sun protection in one application, remaining lightweight enough to wear under makeup comfortably. Estheticians actively advise clients to follow this routine. Deeper skin tones must blend it in thoroughly, as the white cast remains visible if not worked into the skin properly. The PM Facial Moisturizing Lotion takes the 6th spot on our list. This product demonstrates CeraVe's actual capabilities by offering a high concentration of niacinamide, surpassing most competitors at this price point. Niacinamide provides substantial benefits in a routine by calming inflammation, tightening visible pores, and evening out skin tone over time. The texture feels like water on your skin, absorbing instantly while leaving zero residue and never clogging pores, regardless of how much you apply. People with acne-prone, combination, and oily skin universally rely on this lotion for those exact reasons. Breaking into the top 5 is the Renewing SA Cleanser. The SA stands for salicylic acid, an ingredient that dissolves dead skin and debris from inside your pores, achieving results a standard cleanser physically cannot manage. Rough little bumps on your arms, uneven texture on your cheeks, and persistent dullness that regular washing cannot clear up are all addressed by this cleanser with regular use. Users should start slowly, as applying too much salicylic acid too soon dries your skin aggressively. Working it into your routine at a steady pace improves skin texture to an unexpected degree considering the low price tag. Number 4 goes to the CeraVe Healing Ointment. This plain, unassuming blue tube sits on the bottom shelf at nearly every pharmacy, looking from the outside like basic petroleum jelly. Many shoppers pick it up, mistake it for a generic product, and walk away. Inside the tube sits a petrolatum base fused with hyaluronic acid and ceramides, providing the same barrier-rebuilding ingredients CeraVe puts in practically all its daily face and body products. The petrolatum base completely seals your skin's moisture, while the ceramides rebuild what your barrier lost during the day. Skin barrier experts regularly designate this formula as an extremely effective overnight repair tool. Applying a thin layer across your face before bed ensures you wake up with skin that feels dramatically softer. Cracked lips disappear by morning, and dry, split hands in winter recover within days. Priced around $15 to $20 for a standard size, the skincare community continues to recognize the high quality of this product. Claiming the third spot is the Foaming Facial Cleanser. This gel-to-foam wash is built specifically for normal and oily skin types, providing a deep clean that removes excess oil, daily buildup, and leftover morning sunscreen. The factor separating this item from foaming competitors at the same price is how your face feels afterward. Most foaming washes strip your barrier and leave a tight, dry, uncomfortable sensation, signaling your skin is fighting to recover. This cleanser avoids that issue by retaining ceramides in the formula, even within a wash designed for oily skin, ensuring a clean and beautifully balanced result every time. The runner-up is the Hydrating Facial Cleanser. Washing your face with a product that behaves like a lotion fixes problems instantly for individuals with dry skin, sensitive skin, or faces that feel raw and irritated after washing. The formula uses no foam, no aggressive lather, and causes no stripping sensation afterward. It cleans while actively protecting your moisture barrier, meaning your skin avoids spending the following hour trying to recover from the washing process. This represents a completely different approach from most cleansers on the shelf, and the resulting skin texture reflects that change. The number 1 spot goes to the CeraVe Moisturizing Cream, widely recognized by its blue tub. Multivesicular emulsion technology releases moisture into your skin in slow, controlled waves for 24 full hours after application. Instead of providing a burst of hydration that fades by noon, it ensures continuous hydration from a single application, prompting eczema patients to rely heavily on it. Clinical recovery protocols often utilize heavier healing ointments after in-office procedures, and consumers who spend hundreds on luxury skincare still keep this tub in their cabinets. No other product at any price delivers comparable results for the cost, with a single jar lasting for months. Your face and body can both use the same product, and it costs less than nearly everything else ranked on this list. The full ranking covers 12 products, with the most unassuming item in the group earning the top spot. One cream effectively provides all of those benefits. Tell us which CeraVe product already sits in your cabinet in the comments below, and consider adding the healing ointment to your shelf if you have not already done so.